Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok Symphony AI creative features. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to any of the tab and search for TikTok Symphony A Creative Studio. Scroll down and you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on the original TikTok application or the website. Simply click on that and you'll be redirected to Symphony Creative Studio. So you need to sign in with either your email or your TikTok account, and then they will create a business account against that account. So once you're redirected to the profile, you'll be able to see something like this. So there are numerous features that you can use. From the left side bar, you'll be able to see home, trends, create, tools, library, and products. So you can click on trends in order to see what is trending right now and what other creators are creating. So you can simply just use that. For example, click on it and click on create your own. And you just need to provide your own pictures and stuff, and that will create a video for you with that template. So there are numerous templates that you can choose from. And then we have is create. So in create, we have two modes. One is video and the other is image. In image, you can use the models Nano Banana and Flux Context Max. You can view the features of both of the models and choose the one that you like. We also have some templates for the images. You can also add any reference image and describe what you want in the new image. And then we have this video over here. You can upload any reference image and tell that you have to create a video like this. You can add any reference image or like video. So it will create a video out of that image. And you can select whether you want reference to video, upload multiple images, and they will incorporate their products, characters, and scenes into a video. Or you want image to video, that will add motion to an image. Your image will be the first frame of the video. And then we have a text to video, generate a clip from scratch with text. You can simply type in any prompt you want and it will create a video for you. And just like that, we have different models over here as well. Right now, video 1.5 Pro is available only, but TikTok is working on the models and it will be updated soon. And then you're going to select the time frame, whether you want 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 12 seconds, what duration you want the video for it to be. And then we have his tools over here. So we have voice over avatar. You can simply upload your own image and it will create a talking head video for you. We have this generate avatar. You can upload your image and you can just create any professional image if you want to do so for passport or something else. And then we have this project avatar. It will create your product in various sceneries and things. And then we have is remix videos, translate and dub, video editor, and then all the images that you add will be added over here in your library. And then we have some other products that you can use over here. Right now, there are no products, but if you wish to add products, you can simply click on add products, and then you can just import those products in your scenes. And well, that was basically how you can use TikTok Symphony creative features.